Welcome back to third lecture of Class 10 Science, Chapter 13, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. In this video, we shall understand the force on a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field. We know that current-carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. French scientist André Ampère suggested that when another magnet enters this magnetic field, then that magnet exerts an equal and opposite force on the current carrying conductor. Let's conduct an activity to understand this. So take an aluminium rod and a horseshoe magnet as shown in the setup. On passing the current through the rod, it experiences a force perpendicular to its length and magnetic field. But now the question arises that can we find the direction in which this force is exerted by the conductor? So, the direction of force on a current carrying conductor can be determined using a very special rule known as the Fleming's left hand rule. Now, let's see how to apply the Fleming's left hand rule. So, to apply the left hand rule, stretch your thumb, forefinger and middle finger of your left hand such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So here I have my thumb, forefinger and middle finger perpendicular to each other. The thumb and forefinger are perpendicular. Similarly, the forefinger and middle finger are perpendicular and the thumb and middle finger are also perpendicular. So consider that magnetic field is in this direction and the current is in this direction. So, the left hand rule says that if the forefinger points in the direction of magnetic field and the middle finger points in the direction of current, then the thumb will point in the direction of force acting on the conductor. So, in this case, force is acting in the upward direction. So, now you must be confused that which finger is denoting which thing. So for this, we have a very easy method to learn. So this is our first finger or forefinger. So F for first and F for field. So the first finger denotes field. Similarly, this is our center finger. So C for center, C for current. So the center finger denotes current. And similarly, the last third finger which is left is thumb, and thumb denotes the force. So I hope that with this trick, you will easily be able to remember which thing denotes which thing. So now let's do another practice question to understand the Fleming's left hand rule better. So in this question, we are given that field is acting in this direction. Our current is acting downwards and we have to find the force. So applying Fleming's left hand rule, we get that magnetic field is in this direction, our current is in this direction, so force will be mutually perpendicular to them, so force will be in the inward direction, so force will be into the page. You can see here that force is into the page. So we get the answer that in this question we have inward force. This principle of force acting on a current carrying conductor is used in many devices like electric motor, electric generator and loudspeakers. So we will discuss some of these devices in the future videos. Thank you.